In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a standing tricep kettlebell extension. So firstly, I'm going to pick up the kettlebell. I'm going to place the kettlebell in a position in my hands where my fingers are wrapped around the handle of the kettlebell. The kettlebell's upside down, so we've got the kettlebell handle pointing down. We've got the flat part of the kettlebell closest towards the ceiling. From here, with my fingers wrapped around the kettlebell, I can do one of two things with my thumbs. So I can point them up like so, and I'm going to push in with my thumbs, or alternatively, I can wrap my thumb around my fingers. So it's up to you, neither's right or wrong, do whatever you would prefer. Now from this position, feet hip width apart, elbows into the body, and I'm going to press directly up with that kettlebell. Bring the kettlebell into a position where it's behind my head, and then from here, really important, squeeze the glutes and core as hard as you can. Make sure you don't hyperextend the back as you flex the elbow and extend the elbow. So you're squeezing the glutes and core as hard as you can whilst you're doing your repetitions nice and slowly, making sure the elbows don't flare out. From a front-on view, that looks like this. And you want to make sure everything's under control and that you're not hyperextending the lower back. So hyperextending the lower back, let me show you, that would look like this. So we don't want to be putting excess strain on the lower back. And if that is you, maybe you haven't got sufficient mobility to do this exercise, what you might want to do is go to another tricep variation, or alternatively, you can do this seated on a bench to have a little bit more back support when you do the exercise. That's how to do a standing tricep kettlebell extension, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.